Bonjour, bienvenue, welcome to this very first French lesson. Today you're going to learn how to say hello, goodbye, thank you, yes, no, what's your name, my name is, and then his or her name is. So we're going to learn all of this today. After the lesson, if you want to practice, you can click on the link in the description and download the free files. Alright, let's get started. To say hello in French, we say bonjour. Bonjour. Whenever I say a vocabulary word, try to repeat after me. Bonjour. Now, if you want to say hi, so in a more casual way, you would say salut. Salut. Notice that we don't hear the T here. Salut. You can say salut to your friend, to people you know really well. Don't say salut to someone who is older than you or someone like your teacher. It's not very polite. If you want to say hello to anyone, you can use bonjour, no problem. Bonjour. Salut. Now to say bye, we say au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. Donc we have bonjour. Salut. Au revoir. Now to say yes, we say oui. Oui. To say no, we say non. Non. To say thank you, we say merci. Merci. Donc bonjour. Salut. Au revoir. Oui. Non. Merci. Let's review now. If you want to say hello to your teacher, how would you say it? Yes, you would say bonjour. Bonjour. Now, if you want to say hi to your friend, what would you say? Yes. Salut. Salut. Now, at the end of the class, you want to say goodbye. What would you say? Yes. Au revoir. Au revoir. Now, you receive a gift and you want to say thank you. Merci. Merci. Now, let's have a look at how do you ask about the name, the first name. Alors, first name in French, you don't have to remember, but it's le prénom. Donc, mon prénom, my name, je m'appelle Louise. Louise. Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? That means, what's your name? And you would answer, je m'appelle Louise. Je m'appelle Louise. My name is Louise. Now try to say it, but using your own name. Awesome. Let's practice. Donc, on a Eric. We have Eric here. If we ask him, tu t'appelles comment? How would he answer? He would say, je m'appelle Eric. Je m'appelle Eric. Now let's ask Lena. Tu t'appelles comment? She would say, je m'appelle Lena. Je m'appelle Lena. Now let's ask Patrick. Tu t'appelles comment? Je m'appelle Patrick. Je m'appelle Patrick. Tu t'appelles comment? Je m'appelle Chloé. Je m'appelle Chloé. Awesome. Let's have a look at this dialogue. Alors, the orders in the dialogue, it's all mixed up. Let's try to put it in the right order. When you first meet someone, what do you say? You say hello, right? So let's start with bonjour. Bonjour. Now, if someone says hello to you, you would also say hello. So, A says hello, bonjour. B also should say bonjour. Let's reorganize that. Bonjour. Next one, we have tu t'appelles comment? Do you think it's in the right position? Oui, it's good. Oui. Tu t'appelles comment? Then you would answer Je m'appelle, my name is. Now let's have a look. We have two je m'appelle here. The first one is je m'appelle blah 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 and then finish. The second one is je m'appelle blah 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 et toi. Guess what does that mean et toi? Yes, means and you. So that would go first. Je m'appelle blah 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 et toi. My name is blah 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 and you. Je m'appelle blah blah blah. Awesome. Alors, now let's practice it. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Bonjour. Tu t'appelles comment? Je m'appelle Louise. Et toi? Je m'appelle Tom. Great. So far we saw je m'appelle, which is my name is. It's about introducing your own name. Now, if you want to introduce your friend's name, for example, we have two options. One is il s'appelle Tom. His name is Tom. So il is for boys. The other one is elle s'appelle Emma. Her name is Emma. Elle is for girls. Donc il s'appelle Tom. Elle s'appelle Emma. Il for boys and elle for girls. Let's have a look here. Here I want to say that my name is Victor. I'm introducing my own name. Why would I say? Je m'appelle Victor. Very good. Then I want to introduce Leo, who is my friend's name, and he's a boy. So what should I say? Yes, il s'appelle Leo. Il. Now we have Léa. I want to introduce her name. What would I say? Elle s'appelle Léa. Elle s'appelle Léa. Let's practice together. You say il or elle. Donc il if it's a boy, elle if it's a girl. Elle. Il. Il. Elle. Elle. Il. Awesome. Here, listen carefully how I ask the question. Il s'appelle comment? I'm using il for boys. So I'm asking what's his name. So how should I answer? I should also say il s'appelle. Donc for example, il s'appelle comment? Il s'appelle Minou. Now listen carefully and try to answer. Il s'appelle comment? Il s'appelle Wouf Wouf. Elle s'appelle comment? Elle s'appelle Toto. Yes, it's elle. Elle s'appelle comment? Elle s'appelle Gigi. Let's move on to this practice exercise. So you have to speak. You have to say il s'appelle and then read the name at the bottom, or elle s'appelle and read the name at the bottom, depending if it's a girl or a boy. Let's do the first one together. Donc here we have Lily. We can see that she is a girl. So when I put this image out, you should say elle s'appelle Lily. Awesome. Now you do the next one on your own. Il s'appelle Noah because it's a boy. Il s'appelle Tom. Elle s'appelle Mila. Elle s'appelle Lou. Il s'appelle Théo. Il s'appelle Léo. Elle s'appelle Emma. Very good. Let's have a final review. I want to introduce my friend. He's a boy. How would I say it? Yes. Il s'appelle Tom. Very good. Il s'appelle Tom. Now I want to introduce my friend. She's a girl. How would I say it? Elle s'appelle Lily. Yes. Elle s'appelle Lily. Et toi? And you? Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? Answer with your own name. Je m'appelle blah blah blah. Alright, we finished with the first lesson. Good job! If you want to practice more, remember to click in the link in the description. You'll have access to audio files, flashcards, dialogue cards, and then a little exercise page to write. It's all free, so make sure you download it and print it. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye! Au revoir!